Hey fishing addicts, this is the Fishing Addict. We're coming at you with a Temu unboxing today. It's I ordered a bunch of carp gear. I did two separate ones. I did some more pan fishing stuff, and I did quite a bit of carp gear. I want to do some testing. We'll go through it here and see what y'all think. Carp fishing is really good fishing, so hopefully everybody will be able to see some of the stuff, and we'll do videos on how to use different things and all that. First, right off the bat, Thanksgiving and what, let's see, today is Tuesday. Thanksgiving's in 2 days. We want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Everybody be safe. Some of y'all might go deer hunting, squirrel hunting, some other things. I tried this week, didn't see no squirrels again. I let a 6-point buck go and a 4-point buck. We've got some stuff planned. We'll have to wait. I've got to do a little traveling. December, I'm going to the Chattahoochee River. My son's stationed at Fort Benning. We're going to go down there and do some carp fishing. I want to catch a 45+ pounder down there. And I might use a little bit of this gear out. Tried to get some fishing in. It's raining today, so I helped the wife clean house a little bit. She had a stroke 3 years ago. She ain't got but one arm, and I try to keep up with her and my mother while I do this. And I still work a job, so y'all can about bet you pretty busy. All right, addicts, let's get started here. A few things we'll go over. Make me a little room right here. Here's some method feeders. And it shows you on the back how to set that up. You've got a 15 gram, 20 gram, 25 gram, and 35 gram. So you'll pack that bait right here. You'll push it down in there. It'll pack your pack bait around this. You'll throw it out. That'll be your weight and everything. You've got your hooks sitting down there. You can kind of put them in. I'll do a video on it. Show you how to use it. I bought, these were like $4 and something a piece. Hang on. Say, hey Alexis, that's my girl. She's gonna come in here and get her some food over here. I bought 3 of these. I think I paid $3.90, $4 and something a piece. Really reasonable compared to, for one, I can't hardly find any of this here. This all come from Temu, and I've got a discount code below. First time users up to 30% off. I'm working on another code for my subscribers. Y'all stay tuned for that. Let's see here. We'll do this next. Here's a little case. These are wireless receiver bite alarms. Take 9-volt batteries. You lay your pole in there and your fishing line goes through here. And with this, I paid $54 for this set. I'll show you. You've got a remote you can put in your pocket. I think it uses the same 9-volt battery also. And it'll tell you which ones is beeping, and you line them up by color or ever how you want to do it. Nice little case for $50-some, and these bite alarms, from what I can find out, are really top of the line bite alarms. I wanted to show that first, because once you got your pole in there, then these goes on your stand. And I got a red one, a blue one, a yellow one, and a green one, so I can separate the colors. And this is for when the carp bites your line and it runs towards you and the line lets down, this pulls it so it lets you know they're running towards you. The reverse bite. These were like $3 a piece, somewhere's in that vicinity. Like I said, I've got a discount code, so we'll go over. We might repeat a few things here and there. Y'all can kind of see what I've done. Probably should have set this up. It might not be as fun. These are pop-up baits. I got, they were $1 a pack. I got yellow. I got green. And you'll put them on your hair rig. I got 4 of each color is what I did here. Yeah. Got 4 of each color and orange. And you'll put your hair rig and they'll float up in the air right above your hook. I'll do videos on all this. I want to do quite a bit of carp fishing next year. It's a really good fight. Love it. I mean, I just simply love it. Put my instructions right there. That was the pop-up baits. Some spring feeders. Y'all have seen me use these. I don't know if I've showed you how to set them up, but we will do that. See if I can get this close enough y'all can see. See the little, it's a little hook with a screw. You take the round part of the hook and you take it and go over your hook and it goes behind it and you screw your bait to it on the screw. I think that was just $1 somewhere like that. These are bait stops. And what we do with these bait stops is you've got a couple bait needles. You run those bait needles through and you pull it back and hook it onto your hair rig. I got a few packs of those too. We got some different that's another method feeder. I'll pull this one out and show you how it is. I don't know what size line they have on this. You tie this to your swivel. You put your pack bait around here, pack it in. You throw it, it's going to sit down on the bottom like that. You're going to have a hook with plastic corn there, and right here you're going to have another one that's going to be floating up in the air. Once the carp gets that, they'll take off with it. That's a double hook hair rig. I don't know. It's an 806. I don't remember how many grams. It's all in grams, so don't say right off the bat. Stick that bait down in there and I'll hook myself. We'll be caught here in a minute. Y'all be laughing at me. Those cost about $3 to $4. Already got your hooks, which I use small hooks. You know, it's all about the fish sucking it in their mouth and getting it set on that. That's by Yonda Fishing. Got a couple of those to try. Bought 4 of these. These are by SYD. These are spring feeders with the weight. The hooks and everything's already on it. You'll open this little top up fill it full of your bait. It'll start dispersing in the air, draw them to it. You'll take your hooks and put your plastic corn in and hook your swivel to your regular line tied to that. I'm going to take this with me to Georgia. The hooks look to be about a number 4. I bought 4 of these. I think they ran $4 a piece. The biggest problem is finding gear here, guys, to do any carp fishing. You know, in the U.S., carp are trash fish to everybody. And you won't get no better of a fight. Get a hold of a big one. You're going to fight. These are hollow baits that you can put over your hook. You can put them on your rigs. Take a bait stop. These are bait stops again. Take one out of the bait stop. I can get it open. I don't know about y'all, temperature's dropped here quite a bit. Y'all can see those are bait stops. You got different sizes. You got the long ones in the middle and then the short ones on the ends. These bait stops last you a long time. Like I said, I've got a discount code in the description below. Y'all can go order this stuff. I mean, these bait, you got 10 or 12 of these for only like $1.98. I can't find them at Walmart or anywhere here. I looked. And the hollow baits you put on there and then put a bait stop on it. I got 4 packs of these. And then, you know, I bought some more plastic corn, and these have little hooks on it to go on some of your rigs. You just hook it. I got orange, green, yellow, and white on those. This is a little feeder. It's got the weight right in the center. It's got a couple hooks. This one's actually got 3 hooks on it. And you hook it to your rig, to your fishing line on your pole. And once you pack your bait on here, this is going to be your weight. I bought 2 of those. And these are some more Yondo fishing. These have hooks and little weights with leaders. Really hard to see that. Take this one out and show you this one. It's all tangled up. Just a second, guys. Now you'll throw this one out. You've got 3 springs on this one. You'll pack each spring with a little bit of feed and put plastic corn or the little balls on these hooks, just plastic corn. And when you throw it, this lead on the end here is going to go down and it's going to float. And those spin in circles and they won't get tangled up. See how they're spread apart? That little wire will hold them out. You've got 3 corns and there you go. Great little setup. I'm really wanting to try that. I mean, just hook it straight to your swivel, your fishing line. You definitely want to hook to a swivel. Depending on what size carp you're fishing for, you want to be able to Get all that there. All right. And that was by Yongda Fishing. Bought a couple of those. And we've got more little bait stops here. These are just the short ones. See the short bait stops. 10 of them for like $2.20. Like I said, you can't find anything here. I ordered a couple reels. This is a Sangoya 4000 size. It's got a loud clicker. Drag on the back. It's a good looking reel. Push the button in, close your handle, pull it up till it's out. Super smooth. Very good looking reel for $8. And it's a PSY 4000. I'm trying to upsize my reels and stuff just a little bit for the bigger fish. Alright. There we go. Down in the box. That's one. You said $9. This is a special carp fishing. It's a $14 reel. It comes with a extra spool by Segoya. It's a 4000 size. This is a specific carp or catfish reel. Drags on the back. Clicker, stop, go either way. You got a drag up front. Now this one here has got a clicker. This has got a double drag system. Pull that back, your fish will take off with it. When he takes off, that's the drag for him to run. Once you grab your pole, you click it, and that's your fighting drag. So you got a running drag and a fighting drag both. I think that's great. Very heavy duty. This one don't have one of those clickers. You do this same way we do our reels in the US. Tighten it down. Metal. Like I said, heavy duty. This is the 4000. Gear ratio is 4:7 to 1. You can get 260 line capacity, 170 a 30 pound, 220 feet, 220 yards at 25 pounds. That's more than enough to fight your fish, guys. More than enough. All right. Okay, guys, that's the carp gear. Like I said, I've got a discount code below. First time users up $100 free gifts, 30% discount, I think it is, somewhere in that vicinity. Just to let y'all know, we're getting ready to do a little vacation. It's holidays. I don't expect everybody to fish all through the holidays. I know y'all don't either. we'll keep putting videos out. I've got another Temu video. I've got a skinning video coming out. I'll have a couple fishing videos. I'm thinking about starting to do the videos where I release them on Saturdays when everybody's off. I'm thinking that would benefit more everybody. Is what I'm thinking, that I work on Saturdays. I appreciate all the stuff y'all do. Y'all remember that, always will. This is our channel, not just mine. It's our channel, guys. Here to learn, find the cheapest prices on stuff, and the community. It's all about the community. So if y'all like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. During the holidays, a little iffy here and there on videos. I'll definitely try to do it every week though. Besides that, guys, y'all keep the lines tight. Y'all have some great holidays. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Remember, what's the motto? Take a kid fishing. All right, guys, till the next one.